Yesterday, I asked you to sell gold at 1715 and expect 1705, 1700. Precisely, it has achieved 1700 and bounced back since then, still trading in the range. At the same time, silver has gone below $20 levels and then bounced back nicely. Now, what can be expected today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Your every like, every comment is a motivation to me. Now let's start. First we look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully and do press the bell icon. The next update on gold will be up before the US cash session. Now look at the gold on the hourly chart. See, if you observe carefully on the charts, you will find lower highs are seen. Hence again 1725 and 1727 will come into picture. So once again buy only above 1727, which I had told you yesterday. Now I am reiterating it again. Now if you observe it closely, see it has got the resistance there. At the same time, look at the support at 1705 and 1700. Very strong support exists. Yes, after consolidating for a while here in between 1705-10, it has again tried to retrace on the upside. But look at the hourly charts closely. Lower highs, higher lows. It is again trying to consolidate, and that is why I say once again, if you see it trading above 1725, you can expect a stronger bullish move there. Rather, I will say 1727 you will wait for and then you can buy there. Expect it to, if it trades beyond 1727, definitely we can expect a little more bullish move. At the same time, same levels 1715, if it drops, certainly you can expect a little more drop, but we will see the exact levels in a little while. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic overbought and MACD has again crossed over on the buy side. RSI looking upwards. See, MACD has crossed over and it is diverging again, indicating little more bullishness. Now look at the 2-hour. On the 2-hour charts, you will find it has completed the retracement till here and now again trying to trade bullish. But look at the candle, this candle and this candle. The bulls failed to hold the charge. At the same time, it has taken the support. It tried to retrace and taken the support at 1715, trying to bounce back again. Now, I will be definitely carefully observing how it behaves at 1725. Possibly that may give it a little resistance. But yes, if it tries to trade above 1727, there you can buy again and then we can expect it to fly from there. See, it has created a base out here. This is the second green candle and possibly third green candle can be expected. But be careful. It is giving you lower highs and hence there is little resistance there on the upside, which it may try to break past by. And if it fails to break, yes, it can reverse also. So be careful till 1725-27 levels. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI again trying to look upwards and act bullish. Same is the observation on the 3-hour charts. Now look at the 3-hour chart. See, it is trying to trade in this channel. But see, this candle and this candle, the bullishness has certainly diminished. You can see the candle size here and here. The bullishness has diminished. That is one observation. Second observation is it has got a base here and it has created a base at 1715 levels, and now with this base it is trying to rise, and possibly this is the first green candle. We can expect a second green candle and a third green candle too. So it is trying to rise from here. That is another observation. At the same time, yes, only sell entry today is below 1715. That will call for little more bearishness, as till the time it trades above 1715 we can expect it to remain bullish. Directional movement is bullish. It is divergent. Stochastic overbought. MACD is on the sell side. RSI is again trying to enter into overbought levels. Right now it is comfortable. Look at the 4-hour charts. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, lower highs. The candle size is green, but candle size has reduced and diminished. So possibly only bullish move I will recommend. Only buy position, only buy entries above 1727. But then expect 1730 to provide a little resistance, because see, that will be the double top. What it is trying to do, if and only if it reverses from 1730, see, rise, retracement, rise, double top, it will create a double top at 1730 and then reverse from there, possibility. Hence, those who want to take a safe entry should wait for a 1730 levels, and beyond that 1735 should be seen. 1741, 1745, 1745, very, very strong resistance. So be careful of 1730 today. Yes, that could be the stronger resistance. From there it can try to reverse. The directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic looking upwards acting bullish. MACD is on the sell side, still it is not yet crossed over, it is still divergent carrying on the bearishness. RSI again looking upwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts, see here. Now what we had seen on the hourly charts is getting reflected here on the daily charts as well. Lower highs are seen, and that is why I say only buy above 1727, only buy when it crosses this top line, else there is a strong probability that it can reverse on the downside. If it fails to breach 1730, it can reverse on the downside. So be careful of 1727 and 1730 today. It may achieve these levels, but it can reverse from these levels, and hence you have to be cautious. At the same time, below 1715 certainly there will be more bearishness, then it can try to achieve higher lows. 1705 1710 levels can be seen, so be careful of 1727 1730. In fact, if it tries to drop from there, you can initiate a short position there and enjoy the drop. 1715 level should be breached today, and possibly it may try to drop for 1712 1710 1708 1705 levels can be seen. In fact, 1700 and below levels can be expected. What it is trying to form is a possible flag formation. Lower highs here, higher lows here, so it is trying to consolidate, and hence you should watch out of 1705 levels. So be careful of 1727 levels. Yes, you can buy there, but then expect 1730, and only if it trades above 1730, expect it to trade bullish, and then 1735 41 levels can be expected. A stronger bullish move can be expected. At the same time, on the downside, sell below 1715, safe entry. Expect 1710 1705 levels there. On the downside, very strong support will come at 1708 and 1705, these two levels today. If it breaches this, then 1700 should there be the next support. Below that, certainly more bearishness can be expected. So take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits, if you want to learn the strategies on how to trade, you can join my mentorship batch. The 16th batch will start on 8th of November here, and you can book your seats now itself, because limited seats are available, and definitely the investment done now will reap the profits for you for lifetime. So reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group, or you can just become a patron and support the effort. To be part of my signal group also, on Telegram you can join my reach out to me via Telegram or email. Now let's have a look at silver. Likewise, silver also trading bullish here. It is trying to trade in this channel. It may attempt and achieve 2090 levels, which is a stronger resistance, and 2100 the strongest resistance. See this zone here? Yes, it is trying to trade about 2080. This is a very strong resistance, and if it breaches past, this is going to be the strongest support zone. Now this zone between 2080 and 2100, this is the area of interest. Possibly only beyond 2100 I will recommend you to buy, as it has got a strong possibility that it can try to reverse from there. Also look at the hourly chart, see the rise, retracement, rise. So again it is on the buy path, bullish path. Also look at the last two candles, lower highs, flat bottom. So yes, you can sell at 2060 levels. Below 2060 certainly more bearishness can be expected. Now let's have a look into more detail. The directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic entering into overbought level, the MACD divergent and bullish, RSI looking upwards. And on the 2-hour chart, this is the second green candle after retracing a bit. See, two green candles, retracement, again trying to trade bullish. Possibly 2100 can be expected. Possibility exists, but 2080 definitely a very strong resistance. Previously it was, when it was above, it was a support. Now it is going to be a stronger resistance. Be careful of 2080 levels on the upside, and if you see it trading above 2100, certainly it will fly high. So this zone between 2080 and 2100 is the area of interest to me, and only if it trades about 2100, we can see certain more bullishness. Then again it will try to create a double top out there till towards 2030 levels. Be careful. The directional movement is bullish moderately, stochastic overbought. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. RSI is trying to look upwards, trying to act bullish. Now look at the 3-hour chart. This is the second green candle. See, couple of green candles, a smaller green candle and a further green candle. The bullishness is diminishing here. The bullishness is diminishing here certainly, and but at the same time one must observe here couple of things. that yes, it is still trying to trade in this possibility. 2090, 2100 should be there, but from there again a reversal can be expected, else it is, if it breaks out, we can again expect 2130 levels. So be careful there on the downside. Also be careful of 2060. Only and only if it trades below 2060 you can sell there. That is the safest sell entry. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD is trying to converge, RSI looking upwards. MACD trying to converge means it can try to enter into overbought zone. Now look at the 4-hour charts. Certainly after this big bullish candle, it has tried to retrace a little, and now it is giving you second bullish candle here. Now look at the size of the candle here. It is certainly diminished, and if you see here, what it may try to do is may try to trade within this zone for a little while before it tries to give you another breakout. So for sure, one thing is clear, that only sell entry today on silver is below 2060. Only and only if it trades below 2060, I will recommend you to sell. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking upwards. MACD is on the sell side still. RSI is still trying to look bullish here. But now look at the daily charts. Interestingly, see, look at the daily charts here. The previous candle has had a stronger tail left behind. Hence, and this has started with a flat bottom. There is a stronger probability that it can reverse again today on the sell side and again achieve lower levels till towards 2020-2060 levels. There is a strong probability. Now look at the highs there, how high it can go. It can try to attempt and achieve 2090, 2100, these levels, and yes, you can try to initiate a sell entry there at 2100. That will be a good entry to go short, but certainly above 2100 you can expect more bullishness for 2120, 2130 levels. Till the time today silver trades below $21, I will not recommend you to take any position, and below 2660, those who want to take a safe sell entry on silver can short it below 2060 levels, and those who want to risk a little, yes, you can short at 2100. Certainly I will be looking forward to a drop again in silver today. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic overbought. Yes, it has crossed over, it is trying to act bearish. Look at the MACD, this has already achieved the high, the width is done, it must start to converge. RSI is near to top. So considering this, yes, safe short entry, safe to sell area is 2060. Below that, 2040, 2020, 2000 levels can be expected. It can try to achieve those levels today. In fact, below 2000 is a bonus. It can try to drop strongly below these levels. At the same time, yes, those who want to risk a little can sell at 2100, but you have to be very cautious at those levels, as if it trades about 2100, sustaining about 2100, that is the area beyond which you can buy, but then expect 2110, 2120, 2130 levels to provide a resistance, and then 2140 levels will come into picture. So be careful till then, take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.